drain line is not going. See, you notice here it goes up, then back down into the drain. That's the way it should be up under your sink. Because the thing I run into is customers will have their drain line laying out on the floor of the kitchen sink, laying on the surface, and when they do discharge the water, because it doesn't have that loop, the water just goes right back into the dishwasher because it's not pushed up and over the loop. And now we're going to drop the skirt down so that we can eliminate this gap. That's the dishwasher turning on. And now I'm just removing that protective coating. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Thank you.